I have a half of butternut squash, a little less than a glass of round rice, and about half a liter, 700 milliliters of milk. I will start by peeling the squash. By the way, you can use other types of pumpkin as well, not just butternut squash. I'm gonna use half of it and we'll bake the other half later. And then I'm gonna cut it into rather small pieces. This way they will need less cooking time. And now let's take care of the milk. I have cow milk here, but you can also use plant-based milk or you can mix it up with water. Pour it in a pot and bring it to a boil. One important thing, milk runs away really fast, so watch carefully and don't leave the kitchen under no circumstances. Once the milk has boiled, add the pumpkin and lower the heat. Let it simmer for 5–10 minutes on very low heat, otherwise the milk will burn. Then we can add our rice. I see that the amount of milk may be insufficient for this amount of rice, but it's not a problem. I might add a bit more milk or water later. Simmer it on very low heat, stirring often. As I said, there is too little milk for this amount of rice, so I'm adding a bit more milk. Season it with salt at the very end. Milk rice is ready when rice is soft. If the rice is still hard to chew through, but there is not much liquid left, add milk or water and keep it on low heat for some more time. When it's ready, take it off the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes. Milk, rice, and butternut squash combine really well and create a creamy and mild taste. This is a universal dish for breakfast, lunch, or light dinner. Generally, a dish with milk and grain boiled in it is called kasha in Russian. Besides rice, we also use millet for this type of kashas with milk and pumpkin. It has a similar taste but with nuttier tones. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to stay tuned for more. Enjoy your meal. From Russia with Food, Alina.